Hey everybody, Gigi's here, and I'm here to show you guys how to use a sauna suit. I'm sure you've seen people walking around in these little trash bags all over their bodies. Kim Kardashian was using one the other day and posted about it, that you could lose a lot of weight wearing a sauna suit. What the heck is it? What size are you supposed to get? How are you supposed to wear it? Are you supposed to be naked in it? Are you supposed to have clothes on? Like, can you do jumping jacks? Are you doing HIIT training? So many questions. Can you wear it on a date? We're gonna answer all of that for you today. I'm super lucky that I'm gonna have Ginger, he snaps. She's such a great. They come in shirts, they come in pants, they come in like hoodies and zip ups. This one here is from CVS and it actually has the built-in elastic in it, which is awesome. So step number one, you wanna make sure you find the right size. We're both wearing extra larges. I'm 5'10", I'm 5-ish. Look like an astronaut. Part two, what do you wear underneath? Something close fitting. So like this. I can't stand the rain.
Super duper fly. Super duper fly.
Did you get attacked? Are you a beginner? You can pretty much do anything in this suit. You just want to make sure you start off in increments. Start with walking, transition to jogging. So power walking. Okay? Then you can jog, right? And then you can sprint. So build it up. 5 to 10 minutes in the beginning. Don't work out more than 5 to 10 minutes, right? And then you can work your way up to an hour. Do not work out in this more than an hour. What type of workouts? You can do HIIT training, you can do strength training, pretty much anything. You can do Zumba. You could easily get dehydrated in something like this. You have to drink water throughout the day. Okay guys, so we're gonna take you through a 15-minute HIIT training workout with the sweatsuit on. It's gonna come in 4 exercises.
Me, I'm super fly. Super duper fly. Super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly. Super duper fly. Super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly. Super duper fly. Super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly. Super duper fly. Super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly.
Okay, so conclusion, how to lose weight in a sauna suit. Is it even effective? Like, is it worth it? I mean, bottom line is, what is your goal? Long-term goals, really, this kind of just makes you lose a lot of water weight. So if you're trying to go to a big event and you want to drop a lot of water weight and shrink down, I would highly recommend maybe a couple days before the event, use the sauna suit and just make sure you sweat it all out and just don't eat anything with sodium in it. If you're trying to do long-term, I would incorporate the suit just because it does get your heart rate up, but I would find a workout that's more effective, like doing a treadmill uphill walk in the morning before you've even eaten anything for about like 40 minutes, you're gonna burn more fat that way. So long-term, I wouldn't recommend it. You can incorporate it. Short-term, awesome. You sweat a lot. It's something that pushes you. So now you can go buy one. You'll probably look just as stupid as everybody else, but that's okay. That's fine. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video, if you find it helpful. Let me know if you're gonna go ahead and buy one. I would love for you to tag me in it because I feel really stupid right now wearing it. But if you tag me in it, yeah, no, da-da-da-da-da. If you tag me in it, it made me feel a lot better. Plus, I know that you're doing your thing and you're working hard.
Really good angle.
Oh my God, you look like, go, put me in, coach.
She's really
That's like her, she is. She's got her optic stance.
Do I look like her? She's really good. Wait,
No, you look way better. Look, Warrior by Natural Fitness.
Are they the
I love
same
it.
color?
We're gonna be so matchy. Twinning. She's really feeling herself. See, look at, ew. My buff leg muscles are just like sucking it.
Damn, smells like
Oh my God, see, this is what happens. See, Ginger's wearing, see, this is what happens when you wear shorts underneath it. That's why you gotta wear clothes in it. Holy shit. Oh my God, I'm sweating. We haven't even worked out yet. Oh, shit. Do this at home.